Alright guys, and welcome back to my channel. We do reviews on all sorts of cool Amazon products. We do reviews on hotels and even make money online programs. But today we're going to go ahead and do a review on my new TV stand. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for reviews. Let's go and actually check it out. This is one of those setups where the frame and the mount are doing most of the work, not the shelves. Everything lines up solid once it's together. And the center mount is rated for up to 110 pounds. So it's made to handle those bigger TVs without feeling sketchy. It supports TVs up to 70 inches and the mount isn't fixed in one position. And the screen swivels side to side about 25 degrees, which actually matters more than most people actually think. Instead of running power strips behind it, this has a built-in outlet with USB-Cs, so everything plugs in straight into the stand. Even while putting it together, you can tell it's designed to hold some weight at the top, not just look good on the bottom. Once it's fully set up, it doesn't feel bulky. It's slim front to back, so it works even if the room isn't huge. The shelves are open, which keeps it from looking boxed in and helps with airflow if you're running electronics. The LED's lighting sits inside the shelf area. It's not overpowering. You can change the coloring depending on the vibe or turn it off completely if you want it to look clean. Cable management runs straight down the middle so the wires stay hidden instead of spilling out the back. The mount locks in tight. When you swivel the TV, it doesn't feel loose or shaky. With stuff on the stand and the TV mounted, it stays stable. Nothing shifts when you adjust the screen. The swivel is clutch if you're not sitting dead center. Small angle changes actually make a difference. Having power built in keeps everything cleaner, no cord running across the floor or behind furniture. The open shelves give you that flexibility. You're not locked into one setup and you can rearrange without fighting cabinet doors. The lighting looks better once the stand is filled in. It adds depth instead of just glowing for no reason. Overall, this works well if you want a mounted TV look without drilling, need adjustable height and swivel, and want power built in to the stand instead of extra clutter. Alright guys, so there you guys have it. You guys looking for a new TV stand with the shelving and everything? As you can see, it's got the built-in LEDs. So if you guys are looking for a new TV stand with the TV mount, definitely look into this one. I'm going to leave the link in the description. I'll get yours. Highly recommend.